Is the auxiliary input port on your Honda Pilot not working? Let's fix it. Fortunately, this fix is pretty cheap and easy. First thing you're going to need is the Honda auxiliary input jack assembly. Looks like the part number is 39112TA0A01. I'm going to use an assortment of panel poppers. I think the real name for this tool is trim removal tool. And finally, some painter's tape. I'll put a link for these items in the description below. And here's the replacement auxiliary input jack. Looks like the connector's on the back, and then we got tabs on the top and bottom. First thing I'm going to do is lay some painter's tape down around the jack to prevent marring. Next, I'm going to use the panel poppers and pry around the jack to get it out. Okay, and remove the port. Push down on this tab to remove the connector. And then make sure that it doesn't fall back inside the hole. Okay, next connect the replacement jack. Make sure it clicks into place. Then push it back inside the hole. There should be an audible click. There you go. Let's test it out. Okay, now we have the phone plugged into the auxiliary port. And then I'm going to select aux. Okay, aux is now showing up. And then I'm going to hit play. Nice. Everything is working as expected. All right, if you found this video helpful, please click like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.